Hey, welcome to Grandpa Sees the Blinking. Please don't take anything Grandpa says as financial advice. Grandpa's not a financial planner. And if you would, please like, share, and subscribe. Okay, Tesla. The billionaires trade Tesla. That's a fact. Oh, let's see. What do we got going here? Uh, yeah, the price is going up and down and up. Okay, I'm getting some advice from Jeff. He says, I think you should keep your streams short and to the point. I agree. Say, I did just a tremendous stream this morning. You want to listen to it. I did it at 3:30 a.m., 3:40 a.m. this morning Eastern Time, and it's a short one. I'm sure that's what Jeff is referring to. It was a short one. Sometimes short is good, so I'm going to keep this one short. Grandpa fell asleep after that. Then I had a dream, and it was a beautiful dream. I dreamed that all my Tesla shares sold, and but I didn't sell them all. And then the price went way up, way up, way up high, far, far up in the sky. And then I sang a song. Don't blame Grandpa. Because Grandpa's a great. Well, I'm not very good at singing, but I'm really good at writing these songs. Don't blame Grandpa. That's just the beginning of the song. So we're trading right around 340 here. Looks like they topped out about 342.35 last night. Let's see. What the world do I got going on here? I'm not quite sure what that is. I think I'll get rid of that. Beautiful deal. So we're coming up on the open in about 6 minutes here. It's going to be fun to see where she'll spike to. Fair opening price 346.24 right here, this white line. And you should see him trade from 3 a.m. to 4 a.m. Watch my previous live stream. Then watch the one before that and the one before that also. This was all this was all talked about in advance, what went on here with this little dip in Tesla. How low will she go? I do not know. I do not know. What I know is you expect the unexpected. I'm looking. Well, Grandma's up and running around. Murphy's up. Murphy's been up with me since 3 o'clock this morning. Yeah, I got up at 3 o'clock again, a.m. Eastern Time to watch the blinking. from three to 4. So they're doing 20,000 shares, 50,000 shares on both sides of the price point, 60, 70,000 shares. Somebody's really got money. Then at 4 a.m., right on the dot, they go right back to normal. Put my live stream up on your TV, and or at least on your computer, and make so you can see the numbers like Grandpa does. I put the price ladder. This is the active trader price ladder right here, where my mouse is going up and down. Like where this 2 is up here. Every time that changes position, or that one there appeared, when they disappear and either go to a different spot, or up and down the price ladder, or just disappear, it's like this 4 right here. When it disappears, it's 400 shares. Well, that's between 3 a.m. and 4 a.m. they sometimes do 4 digits, and that's hundreds of thousands of shares each blink at that point. Yeah. For instance, a 10 is 1,000 shares. If they do a 10 on here, if say I put 100 order in for 100 shares on your price ladder, it would show a 1. Okay, and if I removed it, you'd see it removed. That doesn't mean it was filled. There's a 10 right there, and it disappeared. That was 1,000 shares short. Here's another 10. That's 1,000 shares. Okay, so that's how it works. But this is normal. This is the market makers providing the liquidity for the market to run smoothly. But what they're doing from 3 a.m. to 4 a.m. is really a mystery to Grandpa at this point. I don't know. What chart am I on? I'm on the 5-minute here. I'm not awake, that's obvious. Let's see what's going on in the 15-minute. Looks like we got a buy signal in the 15-minute here. Coming into the open. Buy signal in the 30-minute. Coming into the open. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Where's the hourly? Hourly is a buy signal, possibly. This candle's only 30 minutes old, so we gotta wait a little while. I'm gonna go back to the 5-minute. She'll be humming here in about 1 minute. Grandpa ain't gonna stick around very long, I can tell you that. But yeah, listen to my previous live stream. I think you'll find it very entertaining. I talk a little bit about Governor Newsom and stuff like that. Okay. We're up and running. It's a buying opportunity. Don't blame Grandpa if you sell your Tesla shares. They go to Mars. Yeah. Don't blame Grandpa. Save some ammunition for 285. Save some ammunition for 303. That's what Grandma's doing. Save some ammunition for 310, 311 area. And 327 is going to have a little bit of a fight going. Whatever you do, expect the unexpected with Tesla as it goes up. Oh, we're heading up 341, 47 already. 3. Look at this thing go. It's going to fill some of Grandpa's shares. And that's okay. It can. Well, it might. It might. It may. Proper language. Grandpa's got to learn how to use proper language. It's coming back down. Probably be a tight day in Tesla. Maybe, I'd guess around $10 range, $15 range, $20 from high to low. This thing goes up so fast I can hardly keep track of it. Oh, we got a new high, 342.17. Why is Grandpa got his up so? Oh, Grandpa filled one. Oh my goodness. Oh, they think they're going to get all Grandpa's shares. I think I'll move that one. Okay, I did. Yeah, it's exciting to say the least. I must have had a strategy when I entered those. I wonder what it was. Oh man. Yeah, I apologize for being rude about the subsidy thing in regard to Teslas. And then talking about conspiracy theories. You never know, there might be a conspiracy theory. It might be a real conspiracy theory. It could be a real conspiracy theory. Now, what's Grandpa talking about? Conspiracy theories. Well, just think about it. Have you ever thought about a conspiracy theory? Have you? Well, I have. But I don't spend much time thinking about it. I spend most of my time thinking about when Tesla's going to, how I'm going to keep Grandma from selling her shares when they get up to 10,000 apiece. Because it's coming. She's coming. When you sell your shares, you better be prepared. You better be prepared. And the higher that Tesla goes, the larger the movements are going to be. And Grandpa keeps forgetting that Tesla's capable of going $50 a day, and it will do. You're going to see days in your future where from high to low, Grandpa keeps talking about that every day. You're going to see where this thing moves up to $100 up and down in a day. The movements as we get up into bigger numbers, they just get wild. $50 up and $50 down will look commonplace in Grandpa's opinion. That's just the way it is. Oh, man. Yeah. Okay, so, Tesla's just taking off. Oh, Jeff's going, oh boy. He's excited. Yeah, where'd the price go? I lost it again. There it is down on the bottom. They're filling out the bottom of the deal here. They go too low, Grandpa's going to buy some more shares. That's what Grandpa will do. Oh, we're getting a red candle. Oh, it's a bear flag. Don't let these bear flags scare you. It's a buying opportunity. That's what it is. Yeah, it is. Oh, man, that's the way it is. Anywhere you buy Tesla is a buying opportunity. I don't care. If you're paying $1,000 a share for Tesla, you're only paying 1/10 of what it's going to be worth in the near future here. Did you sell some? He goes, yeah, I did. Up at the top. And just a few. Because that way I could rebuy them for $227. $227 is going to be a little bit of support on the way down, and so I don't know that it'll be today, most likely, probably, or if it'll be tomorrow. So he must know why. I just sold a few so I could rebuy them for less. I'm selling nothing big. And Grandma didn't. Grandma's holding out. They should have named her Richard. She just gets Richard and Richard. And remember, Christmas is coming. And of course, Grandpa wrote a song about Christmas. All I want I don't want a lot for Christmas. All I want for Christmas is a Tesla stock. A Tesla. Yeah, gifting a Tesla stock to a loved one now. I know Treasonous Trucker's doing it. Grandpa's doing a little bit of it. Jeff's doing it. Everybody is getting on the bandwagon, giving away Tesla shares for Christmas. What better thing to do for a loved one, especially a younger person? Give them a Tesla share. You give them a Tesla share that costs $330, $40, $310. Wait for the dip and buy them one. It doesn't matter what price you pay for it. What matters is that once they get it, it's going to be worth like $1,000 very shortly, most likely, very soonly, very bigly. And then it's going to go to 10,000, in Grandpa's opinion. And then it's going to go to $50,000 for each one. And then 100,000 as they get Optimus into high gear. Do a little research on what's going on in Tesla world. I'm telling you, this thing is just gonna fly. Every time some idiot sells a share like what Grandpa just did, I sold a few shares just to make a point here. You know, some billionaire snagged those shares, and he's gonna probably sell them for $100,000 each. And I sold him 10 of them, so he's gonna make like $1 million just on those 10 shares. I'm helping people, the billionaires. That's what Grandpa's doing. But anyway, Grandpa's being facetious again. Hey, I think that's enough of this live stream. I'm planning on being back around a little before 6 p.m. Eastern, and Grandpa is going to give you the fair opening price for tomorrow. I think we're going to possibly, I could be dead wrong, but I think 346.25. I'm going to be surprised if we make it there today. I think we might fall a little bit short. But I think we're going to battle it out between here and there. There and there, there, and there. Yeah, 322, 325 area. We have some support at the 330 area. Will it hold? Will it? $1 million question. Look at it. They want to go get Grandpa's few measly shares up here. Grandpa's starting to think they hate Grandpa. They're always chasing after his few shares. They're extremely important to them. They need them. They don't care where they buy them because they're going to make $100 on them at minimum. $50, $100. They should. Clutch Cargo goes by. yeah, absolutely. This is a buying opportunity, Clutch. Clutch has got that right. You know it. Buy Tesla shares for everybody and give them away for Christmas. All I want for Christmas is a Tesla share. And don't blame Grandpa. Don't blame Grandpa if you sell your shares. Don't blame Grandpa. Yeah, when you sell, I've said it before, I'll say it again. If you sell your Tesla shares for $50,000 a piece, and a year later they're $100,000, don't blame Grandpa. Don't blame Grandpa. Yeah, I want a haircut. Grandma's going to get Grandpa a haircut. I'll even drive uptown and get cash. Well, I'll get some, I said. Just get the barber over here. Grandma's getting me a barber. My hair is just... I haven't had a haircut for a long time. Well, I never leave the house because I'm always doing live streams. Oh, it's going back up to the high of the day. It's going to, Phil Grandpa, look at this bus run. Look at this bus run. Oh boy, are we having fun or what? She's going straight up. They got enough for Grandpa shares. Now let's see, what's my average now? 346. Yeah, it's exciting. Oh boy. Yeah, we got a new high of 342, 344.72. You could thank Grandpa for this spike up. I enticed him with a few little shares just to see how bad they wanted them. And boy, did they ever want them bad. They wanted them so bad they went right up there and got them. You can thank Grandpa for this spike up. Oh, thank you, Grandpa. Thank you. Yeah, Clutch says bye, bye, bye. And I say, watch my previous live stream. It's extremely entertaining. If you're curious what's going on, I'm curious. I like to know what they're doing. Why are they able to trade 11 hours a day this Tesla stock without us? Something ain't right here. Oh, did I mention that we're under a golden cross in the 5 minute? Maybe that's why we got this minute bounce here. Yeah, we're in a golden cross right now. The only problem with a golden cross is what comes next. A death cross. But yeah, the 50 is above the 200. We are absolutely, and look at how sideways we're moving here. It's just phenomenal. Well, through the night it usually moves pretty sideways, but I'm on the 15 minute now, and it's still a buy signal, and she's going straight up, straight up. Yeah, we're headed, boy, could we be headed for the 350 area? Let's see. Could it go to Grandpa's fair opening price, 346.25? Will we see that? You know, you just don't know with Tesla. That's the way it is. Okay, hey, thank you for coming on, you guys. Think about eternity once in a while. Grandpa does. See you later today. Bye-bye.